In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix one IP to a MAC address. So that way, every time the same device will connect to the network, it will get the same IP. For instance, all you have to do, you have to go to this site, unifi.ui.com /consoles, and then you put your username and password, and that's it. So once you're here, you select the device that you want to control. For instance, let's say if you have multiple routers or something else and you want to control it from here, you can. So in my case, I have the Cloud Gateway Fiber. That is my main router. So click there. Once you are there and it's selected, here you have a few options. So basically, I'll show you here. So if you go here where it says UniFi devices in the round thing, you will see all my cameras. So here, I'll show you anyway, but the system is the same thing. So here you will see only the cameras. And if you go here where it says client devices, here you're going to see computers, cell phones, printers, or Mac, or whatever you have. So let's go here. So let's say here that you have your Mac. You want to have, this just a specific IP, just select it there. And then you will go here on the right, click settings. And then here, where it says fix IP, click here, fix IP. And then here you can type the IP that you want. So whatever you want here, and that's it. So once you type that, go here on the bottom, and you will see where it says apply changes, and that's it. If you want to do the same thing with the cameras, select the camera that you want, go here where it says where you have the settings here, and then here settings, fix IP, and then type the IP that you want. Let's say you want UniFi, apply, and that's it. So that is how you fix the IP address, and it will never change. So that is the easiest way. If you have any question, please let me know, section below. And if you want to keep learning, go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist. I have all my classes organized by topics, and that's it. And if you want to hire me, you can go here and you can contact me through WhatsApp, or you can call me, or you can send me an email here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.